Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is, which is popularly done in weddings. It is called Madve Mane Saru Kalyana Rasam. Let's begin. Pouring in a little bit of oil, pouring in Toor dal. Next ingredient goes coriander seed, next is Jeera, peppercorns, red chilli. Turn off and allow this to cool and make it into a fine powder. This is the powder which I am going to use in my rasam. Pouring in a cup of water, going to add in tomatoes chopped, just one green chilli which is slit, and tomato puree. Going to pour in the tamarind pulp extracted, I'll cook this for around 5 minutes. When it starts boiling, I'll reduce the temperature, cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes. I'm going to add the boiled Toor dal to this. Salt, turmeric, crushed garlic, and freshly made rasam powder. You can adjust this consistency and add little more water, or I had some stock from the dal. This has to boil at least for 5 minutes. Now is the time to add the seasoning. I am using ghee, you can even use oil, some mustard, hing and curry leaves. I am going to add the seasoning. This rasam is on a tangier side. If you need, you can add jaggery to it. We can turn off and this is ready to serve. Please do like, share and subscribe.